5 major reasons customer invest in OnPrintShop Web2Print versus generic e-commerce. Print estimation. E-commerce are meant more for standard stock products versus OnPrintShop is specially designed to easily set up simple to complex print products pricing, custom size shipping estimator, centralized print order management. E-commerce only generates order and to further process, printer need to invest in other platforms or on print shop to generate job ticket, invoices, shipping label, order updates. Solution upgrade. E-commerce upgrades are generic and printer has to invest time versus on-print shop upgrades, best practices and features working with thousands of PSPs. Customizations and integrations. E-commerce entry cost is very high and challenging is finding right developers and explaining them the print process versus on-print shop team has extensive experience delivering complex developments and integrations in time. Marketing tools and SEO. E-commerce offers third-party plugins, but challenge is to choose the right one. Versus on-print shop offers library of tried and tested marketing tools and also option to add the preferred tools. Thank you.